Now we're gonna look at 3 example scripts that show how to use attributes to validate if passed address or addresses have valid Kaspa format, passed block hash or hashes have valid Kaspa format, or passed transaction ID / hash has a valid Kaspa format. Those are those 3 scripts. I have them here. They are very short. Most of those scripts is a documentation, so you can read this, but the script itself is very short. This is the one, this is the second one, and the third one. You're gonna find those attributes we're gonna talk about here. Those are parameters, and they are decorated with those attributes. Now, those attributes can be used only to validate parameters of scripts and/or functions. They act as safeguards for our code, ensuring that the data we send is properly formatted. All the Kaspa for Powershell module exported commands, we talked it in one of those videos, they all internally use the same attributes to validate data that you pass to them. Now, one thing you have to understand, they do not confirm that address, block hash, or transaction ID exist on a blockchain. They just ensure that they have a proper format. Now, let's use them and see what we get. So we're gonna start with a validate address. As you can see, we can pass a list of addresses. It can be one address or more. You can also pass only one address. Not expect list, just one address. But we're gonna do a list of addresses, which means we still can pass one address, but we can also pass multiple addresses. And we're gonna pass address like this. Let's call the script. And you return like okay. Now let's modify the address we passed here. Let's remove, for example, one letter from it. We get error because this is no longer a valid argument, which means that it's not a valid address. Let's try it on more addresses. For example, all those 4. And it's okay. All of them have valid format. But let's remove, for example, this from one address. We get an error. Once again, it confirmed that not all of the addresses passed to the script are valid. Okay, we handled addresses. Now let's test block hashes, which means we're gonna do block hash, and let's pass block like this. It's okay, but if you're gonna remove, for example, this, you're gonna get it's not a valid address. Now, last one, let's validate transaction IDs. Let's grab here. And it's okay, but if we remove any letter from here, or you know what, let's add one more letter. Or for example, this. It's not valid anymore. Now it's valid. Let's do this. It's not valid anymore. And this is how you can use to validate input of your scripts.